Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're on MG3 2025. This car only comes with wired Android Auto and wired CarPlay. And we're going to show you our latest product is the Micro AA and Micro CP. We have done some modifications on the product, put the USB port on the side, make it smaller, really easy to use and faster. So we're going to show you how it works with wireless Android and Android Auto. So we just plug it in the device here, and now this device is fully compatible with MG and it's going to connect with my Android phone in seconds. And also this device is compatible with CarPlay, so we're going to advertise them as both wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, sell them separate in the website, but still is the same product with the functionality to connect with wireless iPhones or Androids. And it's coming up, and in seconds you will see wireless Android Auto on your car radio screen. No cables, you don't have to worry having cables around. It's just very simple to use, and it works with the steering wheel. So for more solutions for making your MG wireless with small devices that works really great, go to smartworldcompany.com, smartworldcompany.com.au. And now, as you can see, installed with Avenza Maps, easy. And then we just simply proceed with the installation process of Avenza Maps in or up to car adapter in the car screen. Next, and it's ready to go. You have now Avenza Maps installed, up and running, and in your car screen. And of course, you can have the icon of Avenza Maps as well there, when you can press it anytime. Also, you can put this as your favorite maps application. And if you want to find more solutions for how to install Avenza Maps in your car screen, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com. I'm happy to help you. We have different adapters for different car models and different mobile phones. Thank you very much.